So the RT is just too dang quiet, so I picked up the new Flowmaster FlowFx direct replacement muffler. Gonna give her a try. Part number 717835. I know I'm gonna lose a little power because it's a chambered muffler, but I'm not really looking for huge power gains, so let's open it up. Clamps, foam, more foam, stickers, because that's the most important part of any new part purchase. Well, it's even shiny, not like your typical satin finished Flowmasters. Let's go put it on. There's the old massive muffler out. So. Just finished installing the Flowmaster FlowFx muffler. Let's see what it sounds like. Oh, look, an exhaust leak. Headers are next when I do the cam.